All right, so now getting into our math examples. Example 1 says that the replacement value of Marcia's home is $150,000, and she has insuranced it for 80% of its replacement value. The home is of wood frame construction and has been rated in fire protection class 4. What is the amount of A, her coverage, and B, the annual premium? So a two-step problem. Step 1 is to find the amount of coverage, which they give you the equation. It's the replacement value of the home times the insured percent of replacement value. So the replacement value of the home is $150,000, and it has been insured for 80% of its replacement value. So remember, since it's a percentage, we need to divide that by 100 to make it into a decimal, which would be 0.80. So we take the replacement value of the home, 150,000, multiply it by that decimal 0.80, and we get the amount of coverage, which is 120,000. So now step 2, we need to find the annual premium. And to do that, we have a new table to use. Now I apologize, the table unfortunately is sideways and I couldn't get it flipped, so you're going to have to kind of turn your head. But if you look, there's 3 things we need to know in order to find our annual premium. We need to know the amount of insurance coverage, which is what we actually just calculated. We need to know what type of home it is. Is it a brick home or is it a wood home? And then we also need to know the fire protection class number. So if I go back up to our example, okay, the amount of coverage is right here. It's what we just found. Oops. Sorry about that. Trying to get the highlighter. There we go. So it's the amount of coverage, which we just found. They tell us it is a wood-framed house, and it is fire protection class 4. So if I go down to my table, okay, it's a wood-framed house, so we're going to be looking at this side of the chart, the right side. The protection is 120,000, which is right here. It's a wood-framed house, and it was fire protection class number 4, so that's between 1 and 6. So if we go down to where it's 120,000, it's going to give us the amount, which is $476. And that would be our answer to step 2. So there's really no math work to be done. It's just using the chart to find the annual premium. So that's how much we would have to pay per year for insurance.